If you are thinking of analyzing and improving your trades but not sure where to start, why not take a look at this trading journal? This is built on Excel, so as long as you have a working copy of Excel, you can use this trade journal. I have other journals catered to specific instruments with additional functions that I have built over the years. If you are looking for a Forex trading journal, I have one as shown. I also built an options and stock trading journal for recording options and stock trades. If you are looking for a more advanced version of the stock trading journal, I have also built a stock trading journal with access to life and delayed prices and technical analysis charts. All these and more are in the link in the description below. But for this video, I will be focusing on the stock trading journal you see here. The journal is divided into 6 parts and is designed to work in tandem to help you plan and evaluate your trades from beginning to end. I'll briefly go through each section before we dive in. The dashboard shows the overall analysis of all your trades across 13 statistics and 6 charts. Important trading statistics such as your win ratio, Sharpe ratio, largest win and loss, max consecutive wins and losses will automatically be calculated and displayed. Your trading performance will also be presented automatically across the different graphs to give you actionable insights into your data. Some of these graphs visualizes your profits and losses, equity curve, strategy performance, and profit and loss per ticker, to name a few. The Trades tab is a visual overview of all the important elements of each trade, all in one page. The Entries tab is where you enter your trade data, and here you can assign strategies, notes, and screenshots of your individual trades. The Strategy tab is where you would input your custom strategies to be assigned and analyzed. The Calculator tab holds 2 calculators, one for position sizing and the other for calculating your risk on trade. Let's set up the journal. At the top of the dashboard page, you would see some basic details of your trading account that you need to fill in, such as your name, your account open date, and other details. When you enter your starting balance in the initial funded capital, you can see your equity amounts change accordingly. Now, your risk-reward ratio and equity risk per trade are 2 benchmarks that you can set to according to your risk appetite to help you manage your trades. In the Trades and Entries tab, you will see columns with indicators that inform you whether you are trading according to your pre-allocated risk plan. How do we enter a trade? In the Entries tab, each row represents one open and its corresponding closing entry. Under the red bolded columns, you can enter your trade information such as the date, buy time, ticker, number of shares, price, etc. As you enter your trade data, the spreadsheet will automatically calculate for you information such as your risk-reward, equity risked, and cash outflow, among others. You can also enter trading notes or screenshots from your TradingView URL link or a link from your PC. When you want to assign your strategies, you can first head over to the Strategies tab to key in your strategy. For example, let's put a new strategy called Strategy 7. The strategy will appear in the drop-down list in the Entries page, where you can now assign it to your trades accordingly. Now, let's say we want to close our Telsa share we just entered. On the same row in the closing section, we can enter the date, time, number of shares sold, and the price. The sheet will automatically calculate the profit or loss from the trade, as well as other statistics, such as your percentage return on trade, account size after transaction in actual values or percentages, target win or loss, as well as your trade holding time. You can add your closing trade notes and screenshots as before. What if I am only selling a portion of the shares? This is where the position or remaining shares column will come in. It will indicate whether the position is fully closed, has excess shares, or unsold shares. For unsold shares, just select the cell with the shares and click the Duplicate Open Position function. The macro will run and automatically enter the unsold shares in a new line at the original buy price, where you can then again close it in the future at a different price. The calculator is quite self-explanatory, but here, you can use it to determine how big your positions should be by adjusting the share price and quantity, giving you your total position size for a trade. Based on an adjustable equity risk percentage, it will automatically show whether the set amount is within your risk tolerance or not. The risk ratio calculator helps you plan what should be your stop loss and possible returns based on your desired risk reward and target price. You can adjust your target price by actual amount, percentage return, or price increase, and adjust your side for long or short accordingly. Last but not least is the Watchlist section where you can keep a record of the various stocks you are researching on as a quick reference. This is just a brief tutorial to cover as much ground as possible for this trading journal in a short video. There is a detailed instruction manual included with it that you can go through. For more details, or if you are looking for other trading journals, such as for options, forex, futures, or crypto, head over to intravestfinance.com for more.